Hello, this is VK3FTIM. Name here is Tim, and I'm a young ham on HF and VHF UHF, and I'm here to show you my shack today. Here's my QSL card. If some of you have got it, or either that, or read it on my QRZ page. I'll go through my shack with you. Here's the AV201 SWR meter, which is hooked up to the ICOM IC718. Sorry about the quality because it's being filmed on my phone. I don't know where my camera is. This is my tuner. That's in tuned mode. That's in bypass mode. The light actually flashes, but it's because of the camera. Here's the antenna switcher. This RG213 goes to a off-center fed 40 meter dipole, and if I switch it over to that goes to an 80 meter full wave dipole. On the receiving side, I have a Realistic DX 394 for some of you shortwave enthusiasts. Don't use it much now because of that's on a beacon at the moment on 28 meg, 28.255, and that's the beacon in Wattle Glen. Here on another receiving side is a 5643 on my ICOM IC-R72, and it sounds pretty quiet at the moment. This is an aviation frequency, and it's usually rather busy at this time because it's overseas and international flights. And here's the tuner box that goes with it, ETP1. Yeah, turn the preamp off. But my noise floor is 0 here, so quite happy with that. Next radio along is the JRC NRD525 HF all the way up to 33 meg receiver. Great receiver. It's my father's and he loves it, still uses it. I borrowed off him a few times, and I may say, yeah, it's certainly a great radio. On the other receiving side is the ICOM OC R7100, which is on the 147175, which is VK3 REC on the Eastern Mountain Radio District Club repeater, but has been turned off at the moment because of pirates on VHF. Here's the Sortron 999 UHF CB, which is, yeah, I have a UHF CB. You don't see many CB things in amateur shacks, but I'll show you my VHF and UHF if you give me a moment. RG58. It's up in that box. I just got to get it. Give me a moment, and I'll attempt to get it. Attempt being the key word here. Hi. Alright, there we go. Put it down. Removable heads. They're all packed away because I only just got back from a portable day. I just got to set them up soon. So it does VHF, and the one next to it does UHF. There is a difference in the two. One does 50 watts, one does 25. So we'll go to the antenna side of my shack. At the moment I'm building a helical whip antenna, which is about 6 meters tall, and it will go up onto the roof. Yes, I do have stairs. Quite annoying sometimes though. Give me a moment. So, now up on the roof, it is a 23 centimeter satellite dish, not transmitting obviously. Here is a 10 centimeter satellite dish for receiving satellite TV. Here's the off-center fed 40 meter dipole. Goes all the way down there. You can see it. And there's my hot element. Here's the Station Master 27 meg vertical. Quite tall actually. And I'll swing the Nelly around. There we go. The one from right to left on the right is a Benelec 12 dB UHF collinear vertical for 70 centimeters and UHF CB. The one on the next right is a VHF mobile whip, which is a 12 dB higher gain. I can't remember the brand of it though, sorry. Next is a Discone for 6 meters, 2 meters and 70 centimeters. And the one next to it is an Aviation VHF receiving antenna. And the big white vertical on the far left is a VHF UHF scanner antenna. Here we go to here is the one on the bottom is my 2 meter 70 centimeter beam. Unfortunately it's not on its rotator at the moment, and the cockies certainly do like sitting on it. One next to it is the TV antenna. Here is the 80 meter full wave antenna, full wave dipole. It's quite long actually. It's measured out at about 42 meters long and quite high up. It's about 140 feet above the ground in a very high gum tree. And here's my weather station here. Yeah, it's all go here. There's no 7 now. Hope you liked the video.